Welcome to MB's Academy. In this video, we are going to learn maximization problem under simplex method at one condition. In this question, we have the equation where there is smaller than or equal to symbol. So now, first we should add a slack variable so that this symbol will be converted into is equals to symbol. So let us quickly jump into the question. Maximize z is equals to 5x1 plus 3x2 and there are two equations given. So it can be written as 3x1 plus 5x2. To equalize this equation, we should add a slack variable 1, right? So it has some value in it, so that when we add all these three terms, we will get 15 is equals to 15. So this is equation 1, right? Second equation, 5x1 plus 2x2 plus slack variable 2 is equals to 10. This equation was written like this. So remember, when the equation has the symbol smaller than or equal to, we will add slack variable in it, okay, to equalize the equation. So now we should write the initial simplex table. Initial simplex table. As we wrote the two equations of the questions like this, now we should write the maximize z equation again here. Maximize z is equals to 5x1 plus 3x2, right? Now as we see in this equation, a new variable added, that is s1 and s2. So this variable has some coefficient, right? So that is 0, 0. So we will write it as plus 0s1 plus 0s2 in the maximize z equation. Okay, this is initial simplex table. The format is, it start with CBI, CJ, then the numbers which are there in the maximize z equation, that is 5, 3, 0, 0. How the 0 came? As we added s1 and s2 in this two equation, B consider the coefficient for this variable is 0 and 0. So this 5, 3, 0 and 0 will be written here. 5, 3, 0, 0. Then solution ratio. I have written it is in a short form. You should write the full term. Then it comes basic variables. What are the basic variables seen in this equation? Maximizes it, that is x1, x2, s1, s2. Then the last two variables will be written here, okay, in the vertical form, s1, s2, and the coefficient of s1 and s2 is 0, 0. It will be written here, okay. Then the equation which given in the question will be written inside the table, 3, 5, and the value of s1 will be considered as 1. 3, 3x1, 5, 5x2, s1, the value of s1 is 1. There is no s2 in this first equation, so it will be written as 0. Okay, this is second equation. Now we should write second equation here. 5, 2, x2, s1 will be written 0, because there is no S1 in the second equation. There is S2 in the second equation and the value will be 1. The solution of this equation is 15. First equation is 15. It will be written here. And the solution of second equation is 10. Okay. Then we will write Zj. Zj is nothing but multiply the 0 with 3, 0 with 5 and add both. 0 into 3 plus 0 into 5. Similarly, do with all the other numbers. 0 into 5 plus 0 into 2. 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0. 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1. So the answer will be 0. Anything multiplied with 0 will be 0. So 0 plus 0 will be 0. Okay. Next comes our Cj minus Zj. 5. Cj is 5 minus Zj 0 is 5. 3 minus 0 3. 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 0 0. So now we should take the largest number in the Cj minus Zj. That is 5. 5 is the largest number. Put a square around 5. Okay. Then take this column 3 5. Okay. Put a circle around that. And now we should divide 15 by 3, 10 by 5 in the ratio column. 15 by 3 we will get 5. 10 by 3 is equals to 10 by 5 is equals to 10 is the solution. 5 is this column, is taken from this column. So we will get answer as 2. Put a circle around the 2 and mark this entire row till the solution column. Now we got the entering variable and exiting variable. Entering variable is x1 and exiting variable is s2. x1 entering variable, s2 exiting variable. This s2 in the next we should continue with iteration 1. We should again put the same table because we did not get the negative number in the Cj minus Zj. When we get the negative number in the Cj minus Zj, the answer is completed. But as we got the positive number, we should again do this table. And that time we should write iteration 1. This table is considered as initial simplex table. And again when we do the same table, it is written as iteration 1. Okay. This is iteration 1. We should write CBI, CJ, again the same number from the maximize Z 5300. Solution ratio. Okay. Basic variable. Basic variable are nothing but the variables which are there in the maximize Z. That is x1, x2, s1, s2. Now the variable which will be written here is s1, and as this is x1 is entering variable and exiting variable is s2, in the first iteration s2 will be not written. Okay, x1 will be written in the place of s2 because it is the exiting variable. This is the entering variable. x1 will go here. S1 will be same. Okay, so the coefficient of S1 is 0. It will be written here. X1 is 5. Okay, and now what are the numbers should be written here? There is a formula for that, and that is X1's formula is nothing but old S2 divided by the key element. 5 is the key element because it has the column and the row, it is in the middle, so it is a key element. Key element is equals to 5. Okay, so the formula for the X1 new column, new row in this thing is S2 divided by 5. Old S2. Okay, old S2 is 5. 5 divided by 5, the answer will be 1. 2 divided by 5, the answer will be 2 divided by 5. 0 divided by 5, 0. 1 divided by 5, 1 divided by 5. And it is also marked, solution is also marked, so 10 divided by 5, we will get 2 as the answer. Okay, it has the formula as S2, old S2 divided by 5. Okay, now we should write another formula for this S1. So that is new S1 is equals to old S1 minus open bracket corresponding old column value into corresponding new row value. Okay, so remember this formula. It is nothing but the old S1. Let us take the old S1. The old S1 as 3, 5, 1, 0, 15. Okay, 3, 5, 1, 0 and 15. Old S1. Old S1 3, 5, 1, 0, 15. It will be written here, and the corresponding old column value minus corresponding old column value means nothing but old column is 3. This is the column, right? So this is the old column value 3. For this row, this is the column and 3 will be taken for all the numbers. So minus, 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 open bracket. So just follow the formula. So the corresponding old column value is 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3. Put the into symbol for all the number. Corresponding new row value for S1. Corresponding new row value for S1. New row value is this. This is the corresponding new row value. Just follow the formula. 1, 2 by 5, 0, 1 by 5, 2. So just substitute the number 1, 2 by 5, 0, 1 by 5 and 2. So 3 into 1 is 3. So 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. 5 minus 3 to the 6 by 5 is equals to 5 is 25 minus 6 by 5. 19 by 5. And 1 minus 3 zeros are 0 is equals to 1. 0 minus 3 ones are 3 by 5 is equals to minus 3 by 5. And 15 minus 2 3s are 6 is equals to 15 minus 6 is equals to 9. So now we should write those numbers for S1. 0, 19 by 5, 1, minus 3 by 5, 9.